And the best thing about Dutchman is that it works across domains. So it doesn't matter if I'm in pharma industry or telecom or movie or media, whatever it may be. People are the same and they have their uniqueness. But when you get them together in a business environment, that's where all the learnings really materialize. Collaboration is one of our main values for the organization, and that is one of the primary themes that LDGM touches upon. How can you be more collaborative and less competitive? If the gameplay is really high on energy and there's so much that happens there, people are exhausted, and by the time they come back and the debriefing happens, there is so much of aha moments that come out and people are like, oh wow, should have done that, should have done this, and then it just stays with them. So whether it is about resource planning, whether it's about strategizing, taking calculated risks, having your end goal in mind, understanding what really is your organization, who plays what role, how do you lead a team? The team that we used to put in used to have people from different departments coming into one team. So we made it very unfamiliar for them. So the idea is to work with people who you don't really know and yet work together as a team. So that's an element that we brought in. I think LDGM is one such module, it's one such exercise which is less time consuming, very productive, touches upon the core aspects that would govern any organization. Leadership, motivation, you talk about resource planning, you talk about respecting each other, you talk about working with different kind of people in a team.